Yep, here we go. Loading up. What's up, brother man? Another day. Alright, today I want to give a shout out to Isaac, Julius, and Kathy for helping me out with loading my stuff. Yep, 228 today. Let's go. Ooh, it's good to be back in IEA again. Yes, sir. I love it. Ooh, loving these Kano heat places. Let's go. Alrighty, we did our deliveries in building 5 here at the Eagle Place Apartments. We're gonna go to building 4 now. Ooh, building 5 is done. I mean building 4. Now heading to the building 3. You know what I'm saying? How about that scenery, right? Isn't it lovely? So we're done with buildings 5, 4, 3, or 3, 4, 5, and then now we're gonna do buildings 1 and 2. Yep, it looks like we got some over here. Okay. Oh, we're building 2. Well, it looks like we do have buildings 1 and 2. Let's go. I was in this place, the whole place, for 2, almost 3 hours. Oh yeah, we stay in Illinois Street, Illinois right now. This place is always beautiful. So beautiful. I love it. Doing a rescue with Sherelle. Sherelle's gonna, yep. That's about it. Yeah, guarantee I'm the last one back. Oh, I don't like that.